my friends, in today's episode on Just Cameras. In today's episode, as you already know by the title of the video, I will be unboxing a new lens that I bought as a replacement for my 2870 that I talked about in another video. So let's get into the unboxing. We got scissors, and in the box, very well secured, we got ourselves our lens. Well, I thought a little more will come, but oh well, I suspected as much. We don't have anything else in here. Nope, nothing else in here. So unwrapping this little... Alright, we got our 24-105 f4 lens. 24-105 f4, and everything seems to be working fine. The glass is clean, just like it should be. Clean on the inside as well. The rubber seal around for the weather sealing, that's in good condition, so everything looks just as it was supposed to be. I just thought it would come with the hood, but I don't use the hoods much anyway, so I'll just have to buy myself a protective filter on this, unless I have this size already, a 77mm. I'll have to look into that. Stabilized, autofocus, manual focus buttons. I'll be doing more videos about this lens. So stay tuned. If you like this type of videos, remember to subscribe. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. And hit the like button. It shows the YouTube algorithm that this video is worthy of showing to others. So in short, like I already spoke in the video about the 24-105 lens, oh, this red ring is a little snapped, falls out of its place, but some super glue will help it. But okay. I spoke in a video why I'm getting rid of the 28 to 70 f2, and while I'm switching to this, in short, smaller, lighter, and I use the f4, f5.6 apertures in most of my work either way, so this does its job correctly for me, and it's easier to travel around with. So that was a little unboxing. I will be doing a little comparison video to the 2870 f2. I don't have it anymore, but I made some points I would like to compare them to, the pluses and minuses of each. If that video interests you, you're invited to see it as well. This has a macro functionality as well also, so that's helpful for my film photography channel to scan film using a digital camera with macro capabilities. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next episode.